In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gemini app not working. If the Gemini web app isn't loading, feels unresponsive, or keeps throwing errors, don't worry. This walkthrough will take you from the quickest checks to the most reliable browser cleanup, all without getting overly technical. Follow along in order and you should be back up and running in just a few minutes. First, give the page a quick refresh. This clears minor hiccups and reloads all the elements on the screen. You can click the refresh icon in your browser or press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. On some devices, the shortcut might differ, but the idea is the same. Force the browser to re-request the page and its resources. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can make pages time out or fail to load modules that Gemini needs. Try loading a different website to confirm your connection is active. If it's lagging, pause large downloads, move closer to your router, or switch briefly to a more stable network. Once your internet is solid, return to Gemini and try loading it again. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Some VPNs route traffic through locations or servers that block or throttle certain services, which can interfere with sign-ins or data loading. Disabling the VPN for a moment can help you test whether that routing is the culprit. You can always turn it back on after you confirm things are working. If the issue persists, clear your browser data. This helps when outdated or corrupted files are stuck in your cache or when old cookies are conflicting with your current session. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open your browser's Clear Browsing Data panel. If you're on a different system, look for the same option in your browser's settings or privacy menu. In the panel, select only cookies and cached images and files. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will likely sign you out of websites, so be prepared to log back in. If there's a time range option, picking a recent window often works, but clearing all time can be more thorough if the problem is stubborn. Click Clear Data and let the browser finish the cleanup. This may take a moment if you have a lot stored. Finally, restart your browser. Fully close it so no windows are left running, then open it again. Go back to the Gemini app and try loading it fresh. With a clean cache, updated cookies, and a stable connection, it should perform as expected. If it does, you're all set. If not, repeat the steps to verify each change took effect before exploring other possibilities.